Welcome. To solve this question, log into bracket x raised to power 2 plus 24 over x base 10 equals 1. It's very simple. Remember the law of logarithm that says if you have log a base b equals c. To express this into normal exponential equation, so it will become a equals, the base will be the base at the other side, and this one will be raised to power, so a equals b raised to power c. By using this for this equation, so our equation will now become, this will be raised by 1, so that will be x raised to power 2 plus 24 over x equals 10 raised to power 1. Then this will now be x raised to power 2 plus 24 equals x by cross multiplication, so that will be x times 10, that is, because 10 raised to power 1, that is 10, so that will be 10x. Then let's collect this to the left hand side, that will be x raised to power 2 minus 10x plus 24 equals 0. Now we have quadratic equation. Now let's solve it by factorization method. So the factors of 24 is 6 and 4, and to get minus 10, that will be minus 6 and minus 4. So by using this factor, that will be x raised to power 2 minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 equals 0. Then by factorizing x out of this, that will be x into x minus 6. Then by factorizing 4 out of this, that will be minus 4 into x minus 6. So we now have minus x, we now have x minus 6 here and x minus 6 here, so that will be, by factorizing x minus 6 out of the both, that will be x minus 6 into bracket x minus 4 equals 0. Then this implies that x minus 6 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. So we have, that will be x will be equal to 6, or x will be equal to 4. So this is how to solve this question. Thank you for watching.